Hey everybody, welcome to the Do Now. Here we go. First one, measure what is x in the triangle. What is that? How many degrees? Go! Alright, let's see. So we know that all three angles in a triangle add up to what? Yeah, 180. So 50 plus 65 plus x, could be any order you want, equals 180. So 50 plus 65. 65 is 115. So 115 plus x is 180. Subtract 115 from both sides. 180 minus 115 is 65. So this is 65 degrees because 65 plus 65 plus 50 equals 180. Nice. So that would be D. Good work. Okay. Check this one out. This one. Whoop. There you go. So, this is a square pyramid. What is the volume? Go. All right, let's see what we got. So, square pyramid. So, that means that this base is a square. So, that means all sides are 8. So the volume of a pyramid is 1/3 area of the base times the height. So 1/3, the base is a square because it said square pyramid in the problem, and a square is just side times side, or length times width, or side squared. So 8 times 8 times the height. So it's 1/3 times 8 times 8. If you're thinking length times width, that's also true. Side squared, length times width, side squared for a square. Times the height, which is 6, right? Makes a right angle with the base. So 1/3 times 64 times 6. 8 times 8 is 64. So that's going to be 1/3 in parentheses times 64 times 6 is 128. There we go. So equals 128 centimeters cubed. There we go. 128 centimeters cubed, so that would be G. All right, last one. What could BC equal? Could be a possible length. Ooh, let's see. Okay. So, stipulation 1, let's call this X. This is BC, right? So, stipulation 1, BC is the greatest side. So, that would mean that you add up the two smaller sides, and it must be bigger than the larger side. So if BC is the greatest, I add up these two, it has to be bigger than this, right? So 15 is greater than X. Remember, we flip it. Pac-Man's eating the 15. So X has to be less than 15. Second stipulation, if X is not the biggest, then maybe 10 can be the biggest. 5 can't be the biggest because that's already the biggest, right? 10 is bigger than 5. So 10 is the greatest side. So if 10 is the greatest side, then I have to add up these two smaller sides. So 5 plus x has to be bigger than 10. And subtract the 5. X has to be greater than 5. Okay. So remember, we always write in compound inequality where 5, so I can flip this one around, is less than x. See how Pac-Man's eating the x? Pac-Man's eating the x. And then this, I just keep the same, is less than 15. So it has to be less than 15 and greater than 5, so it's anything between 5 and 15 is my answer. Okay, what's between 5 and 15? That would be G9. That's the only one that's between 5 and 15. That is 5, that is 15, but it can't be equal to. So G is the answer. Nice job, everybody.